Hello, hello, hello. My goodness, it's been a while. This is going to be my very first scrap with me or craft with me, something like that. We're going to see how this goes, how long it takes me. This is a kit from Victoria Designs, and actually, this is a free kit from her, and I have already cut out all the pieces. And I am getting ready to put this thing together. Let me show you. Oh, sorry for the reach. I have already made one. This was just a practice one. But look, it's going to have all these envelopes. It's really kind of an ephemera keeper. But I'm thinking that I might make some of these with Christmas theme for people to keep the receipts in and their lists and things that they, kind of like a planner for their Christmas gift giving and things, events and all of that. But isn't that gorgeous? A couple of mistakes on this one, but still looks good. So let's see if I can remember how to do it, because it has been a minute since I have done that one. And so let me get all the pieces out here. How are you guys? Oh my gosh, it's been a long time. I hope to start doing some videos and getting them posted, because oh my goodness, I want to get back into it. But I tell you what happened really is that I have forgotten how to download the videos and post them on Facebook. Isn't that terrible? Okay, I'm going to use this little handy tool here. And I think I better use a I'm looking for my, there it is. I think I better use a little tool to help me so that I don't, let's see, how do I want to do this? I think I need to do this so that I don't get off track. See if I pushed hard enough to get through that. So what are you guys up to? What have you been doing? I've been on vacation this week. This is the week of September the 6th. Today is Thursday. Okay, well, I'm not having too much luck with this top part here. I have got some things accomplished. That was on my list, but other things I have not gotten done. Oop, there I go. I'm getting off kilter here. Whoop, and again. Okay. Oh my goodness. I wonder if you can hear that guinea in the background. I live in the farm. I live in the country. I have a tiny home, and I'm on 2.5 acres with my son and daughter-in-law. And we have about 30 birds. All of them are hens, chickens. We have a few roosters, but we also have a few guinea. And oh my goodness, they are something else. They're funny. I moved out here, oh gosh, just a couple of years ago almost. And Love being in the country. I'm getting ready for retirement. So, looking forward to that. Not sure if it'll be next May or December of next year that I retire. But it's, if all goes well, it'll definitely be next year. So excited about that. You know, everybody looks forward to retirement, I think. Oops, here I am getting away from the line. So anyway, just thought I'd kind of give you a little story. I don't know that I have ever talked about myself or my family on any of my videos. Most of my videos, previous videos, they're all just kind of flip-throughs of things that I've done. Like I said, it's been a while since I've done any. And I have never done a tutorial or a craft with me. That I remember. I don't think I have. Mostly just showing you guys what I've made. But a little corner there that I didn't quite get. You hear the birds. I hope that's not too distracting if you guys can hear it. Sometimes people tell me they're sorry about some kind of noise that they're having on their end, and I don't typically hear it. So I'm not really sure what my camera will pick up. I guess I'll know when I look back at this video, though. So hopefully, I didn't even think about whether I have to check it to see. I don't really know how it works. I should have put my phone on airplane mode so that if somebody called, it wasn't going to stop this video. I don't know. I am not very technologically savvy. I don't know what happened. Why in the world I can't remember how to upload these things. So I'm going to have to go back and watch the videos. My daughter-in-law said she would help me. So that'll be nice if she doesn't. She's kind enough to do that and show me how to do it. Then I'll be able to do it from here on out. But my videos will probably never be edited. I don't know. I do like it when people speed up something like this right here. I probably should speed this up, and maybe if Sarah can show me how, I will, because I'm sure that you don't really enjoy watching me cut these over and over again, but has to be done. And then we're going to make, we're going to put some plastic over the opening so you can see what you got, what your goodies are inside. And I'm planning to be in a craft show in October. So I'm going to be making some things, and I'm going to try to do videos on all the things that I make for the craft show. I saw a super fun idea from Lyric Lover, I believe. She always does a craft show series, and one of the things that she's making this year, oh my gosh, it caught my attention, and I'm going to make some, so I'll show you guys when I make mine. It's called A Blind Date with a Book, and I went and bought 6 books from the dollar store that I thought would you know, somebody would be interested in reading. I kind of go back and forth on reading. You know, I might read a lot and then not read again for a while. But anyway, these are novels that I bought at the Dollar Tree. And you wrap them so it's a mystery. That's why it's called a blind date. They can't see the book. And then you decorate, and you put, she put a piece of chocolate and some tea, a tea bag, and she put some stickers and, you know, a little ephemera that a person could use if they wanted to in their book. And also a pen or a highlighter. So if they wanted to, you know, highlight something, although I don't know that people would do that really in a novel that they're probably not going to keep. They're just going to read once and move on. But anyway, just to give them some things to have while they're reading. And I just thought it was an awesome idea. So I'm going to make at least 6. I might do a dozen of them for the craft show that I'm going to be in, because I just think people will like that. I think that'll give some people a great Christmas gift or even a birthday gift idea. I'm not going to decorate them with Christmas theme. I'm going to leave it pretty neutral. But she wrapped hers with just some plain brown paper, like oh, you know, the big rolls of paper that you can get to cover your surface. Or even at Christmas time, they'll sell big brown rolls of paper that you can use to wrap your gifts in. And I forgot to buy the wrapping paper when I went out. So, boo on that, or that's probably what I'd be doing right now. But anyway, I am just about done with these. I'm getting off course again. Oh well, they don't have to be perfect because, you know, they're handmade. And they're not going to look bad. It's just that, you know, whenever you're the person making them, you want them to be nice. And you want them to all be perfect, but they never are. And I don't think people expect that from homemade items. So next, I have to find... I'm going to have to put you on hold